Here's a simple hack for getting people to agree with you. Let's say you have an idea at work and you want to gain support from your coworkers so your boss will approve it. Don't ask for your colleague's opinion, which is what most of us would do. Asking for opinions forces them to become a critic. What you want to do instead is ask them for their advice. This triggers their brain into thinking of themselves as a partner in the idea. According to research, asking for advice or opinions gets you, quote, significantly more favorable reactions to the same idea. Try this out and tell me how it worked for you.